this workshop, hosted by our trusted partner, Engineering Geodesy. I'm Henry, Sales Manager of DJI Enterprise. My sincere apologies for not being able to attend in person, but I am thrilled to see such a diverse gathering of professionals who share the same passion for innovation in the realm of drones. In recent years, we have witnessed a remarkable acceleration of drone adoptions across various industries, driven by a combination of factors, including recent breakthroughs of AIs, or, more specifically speaking, their applications in our daily life and work, and also the profound impact of the pandemic. AI necessitates efficient and low-cost ways of data acquisition, and COVID has completely changed our perceptions about labor costs and physiological health of human bodies. Along the way, DJI Enterprise have played a pivotal role in meeting these fast evolving demands. DJI Enterprise drones are far more than just machines. They're solutions engineered to meet the diverse needs of modern industries, from aerial inspections and surveying to public safety and beyond. Our drones have been instrumental in revolutionizing various sectors, empowering our users to streamline operations, to minimize risks, to boost productivity while ensuring the safety of workers. I would like to share my personal understanding of what sets DJI Enterprise apart. Two things. One, innovation. Our dedication to innovative advancements always. And two, openness, embracing the contribution of all intellectuals to drone technology. Innovation is at the heart of everything we do at DJI Enterprise. We're constantly pushing the boundaries of what is possible and pioneering advancements that redefine industry standards. Our dedicated R&D, which houses over 4,000 engineers,